We are cooking Nasi Lemak and side dishes like chicken wings, Sambal long beans, and crispy fried eggs today. Here is the recipe for the coconut rice. Cut 10 pandan leaves and blend them with 2 cups of water. Extract the pandan juice by passing it through a sieve into a measuring cup. Take note of the measurement as we have to top it up with water to cook the rice later. As a guide, the rice to water ratio is 1 cup of Basmati rice to 2 cups of pandan juice, coconut and water mixture. Put all these together and cook the rice with some knotted pandan leaves. For the baked chicken wings, we have 24 mid-joint wings. Marinate the wings with 4½ fermented bean curds, 1½ tablespoon of garlic, 1½ tablespoon of oyster sauce, 3/4 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, 3/4 tablespoon of sugar, and 3/4 tablespoon of honey. For best results, marinate this overnight. As a healthier alternative to deep frying, we are going to bake this. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it out. Turn over and bake for another 10 minutes. For the sambal long bean, we start by frying 2 tablespoons of dried prawns. Add chili paste from 2 chilies, 2 shallots, and 1 garlic. When fragrant, add the long beans. Add some water if it is too dry. Continue frying until the long bean is tender. We have fried ours for about 8 minutes. I have another video on how to fry crispy anchovies and peanuts. Please follow the link in the description below for the recipe. Heat some oil in the wok. When hot, crack the egg into the hot oil and cook for about 2 minutes until the edges turn brown and crispy. We do not flip the eggs as we like runny yolks. Sambal chili is a must-have for a good Nasi Lemak. It is so good I can eat it on its own with just plain rice. Please do follow the link in the description below for the recipe. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family.